What is that weird ticking sound? It's not over here, over there. It is kind of catchy, actually. 4, 4, SMG 4, 4, 4, SMG 4.
Mario!
4, SMG 4.
Mario!
4, SMG 4.
Mario! Lo!
4,
Lo!
SMG
Luigi!
4.
Mario! Lo!
4,
Lo!
SMG 4.
Luigi! Mario! Lo!
Peachy!
Lo!
SMG 4.
Luigi! Mario! Lo!
Peachy!
Lo!
SMG
Luigi!
4.
Mario!
Waluigi, Waluigi,
Lo!
Waluigi,
SMG
Waluigi,
Mario!
yeah, Waluigi, 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 Waluigi,
Mario! Mario!
Peachy!
Mario!
Waluigi, I'm Waluigi,
Mario!
I'm Waluigi, Waluigi, singing
a
a
song
song all day long on YouTube.
I found the source of the ticking. It's a toaster.
Yay!
Bowser, Bowser, oh, Bowsy, Bowsy, Bowser.